Good afternoon, risers. Welcome to our monthly specials. We pray that you and your family are well. My name is Jordan. I am part of our Corporate Management Office, or what we fondly call CMO. I was asked to give a brief talk in today's gathering. I was thinking about what to talk about last Sunday or Saturday while I was waiting for my son in Estancia Mall. As I was browsing the net, I came across an action figure of Luke Skywalker from the very popular movie Star Wars. This was a massively popular movie franchise when I was growing up. I find that if you pay careful attention in movies, you will find that popular movies always have a lesson from which the story is built upon. I will share with you a phrase that made a deep impression in me after I watched the movie many years ago. In this particular scene, Yoda said to Luke that he either does something or not. Do or do not. There is no try, according to Yoda. Let me share the backstory of this scene that you are looking at. The hero in the movie is Luke Skywalker. One of his guide or mentor is Yoda. After Luke's ship crashed into the swamp, he wanted to race it out. Luke was being trained by his mentor Yoda at the time. Luke was being instructed on the use of the Force. One of the ways that the Force manifests is through Luke's telekinetic powers. This was a Jedi's ability to move objects by just using their mind. Luke was asked by his master Yoda to raise the ship from the swamp and move it to solid ground. Luke tried doing it and failed. Luke was able to lift the ship with his mind only for a few feet. After a brief few seconds, he started to doubt and dropped the ship back into the swamp. This was the scene when Master Yoda said, "Do or do not. There is no try." Whether or not something can or cannot be done is all in your head. So instead of doubting yourself, believe. Believe in yourself. Before you can accomplish anything in life, career, or business, you first have to believe that you can do it. You cannot believe in what's possible, then who will? There is a famous quote, "Whether you believe you can or cannot, you are correct." Whether you believe you are correct, if you believe you cannot do it, then you are right, you cannot do it. If you believe you can accomplish your dreams, then you are right again, you can do it. When going after our dreams, our biggest enemy is ourselves. When I returned back from abroad 10 years ago, I firmly believed that I can have a career that helps mold future leaders, and I'm doing exactly that. I believe that even without a formal college degree, I can have a meaningful career adding value to individuals and to companies. I believe that my purpose in life is to help leaders and corporations grow. I believe that's possible even if I was an OSY. That was what we call ourselves in the old days, out of school youth. I believe. How about you? What do you believe you can accomplish? Thank you.